Hello everyone, this is Dwayne Boozak, your Mortgage Maestro, bringing you the latest update on the housing market, mortgage rates, and the future of home financing. Let's start with the biggest headline of the week. The Federal Reserve just released its most recent economic outlook, and markets are reacting. While the Fed held interest rates steady, they made it clear that rate cuts are not coming as fast as many had hoped. That announcement has already pushed Treasury yields higher, and mortgage rates have followed. So what does that mean for buyers and homeowners? Right now, the average 30-year fixed mortgage is hovering near recent highs. That makes affordability a challenge, especially for first-time buyers. But here's the silver lining. Even with these higher rates, demand for housing remains strong because inventory is still limited. That supply and demand imbalance is keeping prices more stable than many expected. Now, here's where strategy becomes critical. For buyers, this is not just about finding a home. It's about structuring the financing the right way. We're seeing more people using temporary rate buy-downs, adjustable rate mortgages, and creative concessions from sellers. These tools can make a big difference in monthly payments, even in today's environment. On the other side, homeowners are sitting on historic amounts of equity. This is where the digital HELOC continues to gain momentum. It's fast, convenient, and allows homeowners to tap into their equity without refinancing their entire mortgage at a higher rate. And that's why digital HELOC applications have spiked nationwide over the past few months. So let's step back and look at the bigger picture. If inflation continues to cool, and the Fed gains confidence, we could see downward pressure on rates later this year or early next. But until then, the story is about managing today's higher rate environment smartly, while positioning yourself for opportunities to refinance down the road. And here's some positive industry news I'm proud to share. At Coast to Coast Mortgage, we just surpassed $1 billion in loan volume for the month of August 2025. That's a record milestone, and it reflects the trust that families across Virginia, Tennessee, Florida, and Georgia are placing in us. For me personally, being recognized as Virginia Broker of the Year has been an incredible honor. But the real recognition goes to all of you, my clients and partners, who make this work possible. So here's my final takeaway in this update. Yes, rates are higher than they were a couple of years ago. Yes, affordability is a challenge, but the housing market is still moving forward, and with the right strategy, you can succeed in it. Thank you again for your continued support. If you have questions about mortgage rates, refinancing, or digital HELOCs, call me directly at 804-212-8663. This is Dwayne Boozak, your Mortgage Maestro, with your latest housing market news update. I'll be back soon with more insights to help you navigate your next move.